Om Swastiastu. Good morning, doctor. For the first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kadek Dwi Cakra Diningrat, and you can call me Dwi Cakra. My study number is 2018 and 011 049. Okay, in this good occasion, I would like to explain about a preterm birth. And also, I want to tell you what is preterm birth, preterm diagnosis, what is cause preterm birth, and diagnose, and also the treatment of this preterm birth. Okay, so we continue about the topic. Today's topic is preterm birth. For the first, preterm birth is a birth that takes place more than 3 weeks before a baby is estimated to be born. A normal pregnancy lasts for 40 weeks. A birth is considered premature when it occurs before the 37th week of pregnancy. Babies born prematurely are known as preemies, or it called as preemies. In the normal human fetus, those final weeks between 34 and 37 weeks in the womb are crucial for the healthy weight gain and the full development of several organ systems, including the brain and the lungs. The fetus reaches adequate maturity at the end of this period. The lungs are one of the last organs to mature in the womb. This is why many premature babies spend the first day and weeks of their life on ventilator. Preterm babies may also have long-term health issues, such as learning disabilities or physical disabilities. Preterm birth is also known as premature birth, is the most common cause of death among infants worldwide. The complication associated with preterm birth varies, but the earlier the baby comes, the higher the risk of complication. So what is cause? The specific cause of the premature is not clear. However, certain factors are known to increase a woman's risk of going into labor early. This may include a previous premature birth, some chronic conditions such as diabetes, kidney disease, heart disease, high blood pressure, poor nutrition before and during pregnancy, smoking cigarette or using illegal drug, certain infections such as of the lower genital tract, being very overweight or underweight before pregnancy, conceiving through in vitro fertilization, multiple miscarriage or abortion, physical injury or trauma, problem with the uterus, cervix, or placenta, and an interval of fewer than 6 months between pregnancy, being pregnant with more than one baby, and also psychological stress such as the death of a loved one and or domestic abuse. So what is the symptom of preterm birth? For 4 or more uterine contraction in 1 hour. And also there is a vaginal bleeding in the 3rd trimester, heavy pressure in the pelvis, abdominal or back pain, a watery discharge from the vagina, which may indicate a premature rupture of the membrane that's surrounding the baby. A premature baby may show these signs soon after birth, such as low weight, low body fat, trouble breathing, abnormally pale or yellow skin, difficulties while feeding, lack or reflexes for sucking and swallowing, leading to feeding difficulties, and inability to maintain constant body temperature, movement and coordination problem. And the last one is for treatment. Treatment option may include supportive treatment such as placing the baby in incubator, monitoring the baby fetal organ, having a feeding tube, receiving a blood transfusion, replenishing fluid, spending time under bilirubin light to treat infant jaundice medication, such as surfactant to treat respiratory disease syndrome. Antibiotic can help close the heart defect known as the patent dictoceriosis, an infection of medication into the eye to stop the growth of new blood vessel. find mist or IV medication to strengthen the breathing, surgery to treat a number of conditions associated with prematurity, and also the mother should talk to the health administrator to understand what the type of surgery that may be necessary. Okay, that's all about today that I can explain about preterm birth. So thank you for watching. I hope this video can help you to understand what is preterm birth and what is the symptom and also what is the treatment of preterm birth. And thank you for today.